honored to join so many distinguished guests, industry leaders, creative minds, and tech visionaries at the inaugural Waves Summit. We're certainly coming together at a unique time. The opportunities at the intersection of media and entertainment couldn't be greater for both India and the world. We're living in the golden age of creativity, enabled by the tremendous technology advances of the past 40 years. I remember distinctly in 1983 when India stunned the world to take the first ever Cricket World Cup title. The historic final match was televised live only in a handful of countries, with entire communities crowded around small black and white TVs. Color TVs were also a novelty that were just introduced in the Asian Games. That same year, Adobe was founded to help the world print text and images. As the first open international standard for computer printing, PostScript launched the desktop publishing revolution. We revolutionized imaging and design with Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, pioneered electronic documents with PDF, advanced animation, gaming, and video with Flash. Premiere Pro and Frame.io led the 3D and video revolution, and now we also have Adobe Substance that allows you with creating immersive experiences. The reality is that today Adobe is empowering anyone, everywhere, to imagine, create, and bring digital experiences to life. But the truth is that every disruptive technology, from the PC, web, mobile, to cloud computing, social, and now artificial intelligence, has actually spurred tremendous innovation and growth for businesses and economies around the world. It's a matter of great pride that India has become an incubator for the transformative power of technology, leading the way in mobile, digital payments, cloud computing, and AI, just to name a few. And over this time, we've witnessed the explosive growth of creativity and the transformative role that it has played in shaping daily life across the world. The creation and consumption of content and applications is exploding, driven by the growing number of surfaces, channels, and mediums. Today, there are over 100 million content creators in India, which is reflecting a 10% growth in freelance creatives and small design studios over the last decade. And thanks to Jio, as Mukesh just said, 500 million Indians consume over-the-top content on their mobile phones, enabled by world-leading, affordable mobile internet. We're seeing that localization and personalization is accelerating, and half of this content that's released is now in regional languages. In fact, demand for short-form and video content is surpassing supply, and driven by the race of gaming in India, among other countries. So as we think about how creativity has transformed all these industries, it's important to also think about the role that AI is going to play in this era of creativity. We believe that AI is accelerating and expanding the creative aperture even further across ideation, creation, and production. In fact, we think that the next unicorns won't be applications, they'll actually be creators and artists. In India, it's clear that generative AI is empowering creators to overcome the fear of the blank canvas by inspiring new ways of storytelling. It streamlines tasks, allowing Indian artists, designers, and storytellers to focus on developing culturally rich concepts and ideas faster. Generative AI is enabling Indian creators to transcend traditional mediums, opening up opportunities across imaging, video, and design. And it helps shape and share India's unique stories, folklore, traditions, or modern narratives across multiple languages and channels. And finally, in India, AI is revolutionizing production by enabling hyper-localized and personalized content tailored to the country's diverse audience in real time. It supports creators in meeting the growing demand for content across industries like Bollywood, regional cinema, as well as marketing campaigns. Given the size and breadth of the creative opportunity that AI unlocks, it's fair to say that India's next growth as an economy will not be in software code, but in creativity. As an engineer and as a geek, I would be remiss not to call out India's opportunity across the 4 layers of the AI stack. Data is clearly the underpinning of AI models and features. By training models on Indian cultural, linguistic, and historical data, we have an opportunity to create new forms of digital sovereignty. Models are the foundation and the important part of differentiation and a competitive advantage. While companies like Adobe are also investing in models, local large language models offer the opportunities to combine domain and AI/ML expertise to build India-specific models. We also have the opportunity in India to innovate on its decades of customer support and sales expertise to develop autonomous agents and lead AI-driven workflows. But finally, the real value for AI is in the apps and interfaces, and AI will enable us to build brand new applications that serve consumers and enhance governments. In terms of capitalizing on the AI opportunities, there are 4 things that I'd like to touch on. First, AI will supercharge creativity and production by enhancing human imagination, offering new tools, perspectives, and possibilities that people can explore ideas in ways never been before. I believe that AI will enable India to build on its leadership in mobile infrastructure and payments to imagine and foster new business models by empowering both individuals and startups to rapidly prototype, test, and scale innovative solutions tailored to local and regional needs. I think we can lead the AI-empowered global workforce because companies of all sizes are refactoring how they work. India's global access to build teams globally and competitive products using LLMs, AI agents, and low-code tools will give India's vast outsourcing industry the opportunity to evolve and create new AI-driven workflows as well as build AI agents. And finally, driving entrepreneurship across the country. AI will facilitate the creation of different pieces of content, products, and services, and we can build on the strong heritage of learning and education by continuing to invest in AI literacy for all ages. The one thing I'd like to leave you with is that India also has the opportunity to lead through ethical AI on the global stage. The Prime Minister earlier today talked about innovating responsibly, and we believe at Adobe that protecting intellectual property of the creators is an important differentiator for us, and our Firefly models have been designed to be commercially safe. We believe through creator attribution and content credentials that we can actually respect the intellectual property that creators create, and we're thrilled that over 4,500 members, including the Times of India, the Hindu, the Press Times of India, have led the Adobe Content Authenticity Initiative to promote content provenance. In closing, I want to thank the Indian government, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting for organizing this seminal Waves conference and bringing this amazing community together to shape the future of creativity, not just in India, but on the global stage. At Adobe, we're excited to continue to play a role, and we look forward to partnering with each one of you to make this creative opportunity a reality. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the conference.